Prost! Prost! Prost!
Prost!
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Usually on our channel we are focusing on Jamaica and Jamaican everything. But today we are turning the table. Today we are putting the German back into the Jamaican adventure. Today we are headed to Heidelberg. Not the city in Germany, no, the famous German restaurant here in New York City. Because I want my wife to taste some real traditional German dishes.
Well, Buski, I have been to Germany many times. I have tried anything from schnitzel and my personal favorite, the Döner kebab.
Yeah, the Döner kebab is more like a Turkish-German fusion street food. No, today I want you to taste some real traditional dishes. No schnitzel, nothing that you ever had before, my love.
I'm starting to get a little bit nervous.
No, don't be nervous. Let's just go and let's see what they have. Heidelberg has actually been open here in Yorkville since 1939. Back then, this neighborhood had a huge German population and nearby 86th Street was even nicknamed Sauerkraut Boulevard. So this is the Heidelberg, and yeah, it really does feel like a German bar from the 70s or 80s in here. The wood, the decorations, the whole atmosphere, it just feels German. So there's a lot of history here, but today we are mainly here to see what my Jamaican wife thinks of some traditional German food.
So we found a place outside here to eat and we just ordered some beer. Prost! So Nick is going to go through the menu and order what he thinks that I would like.
Not what you would like, what I want you to taste. I'm not sure if you will like it.
Okay.
So I say we start with the Kartoffelpuffer, the Reibekuchen, which are made from freshly grated potato with onion and garlic, and then they are fried and they are served with an apple sauce. It's very delicious. I remember that eating that many times in Germany. I think you will like that.
I think so too.
Number two I want you to try is the Sauerbraten. It's a marinated beef round in a sweet and sour gravy served with potato dumpling and red cabbage. And number three, the last one, where I'm not certain if you will like that, is Schweinshaxe.
And what is that?
It's a oven roasted pork shank. It's like a big piece of meat.
Okay.
And it is served with boiled potato and sauerkraut.
I'm starting to get a little worried.
Don't get worried, my love. Don't get worried. And then as a dessert, we maybe try the Apfelstrudel there.
And what is that?
It's a flaky pastry dough with like apples and walnuts in them.
Oh, I think I will like
It's a very
that.
delicious dessert. I think you will love them. Which one are you most concerned about, my love? Which of these foods?
I think I'm more concerned about the pork because I don't typically eat pork,
You eat bacon. She eats bacon.
but I would never go out and order a pork dish.
She eats bacon often.
It's been like months since I haven't eaten bacon, like 5 months.
And the jerk pork she ate in Jamaica.
I
that you
tasted
tried.
it.
You ate it. Tasting is eating.
Yeah, but you know, it's a taste test.
So what, when you think about German food, what do you expect taste-wise?
I expect savoriness, comfort, and I think it can be a little heavy, but very delicious. It's in comparison to Jamaican food. Like Jamaican food is more bold and spicy. German food is more comforting and savory, and it's not spice, but there's tons of flavor. So it's very delicious in my opinion.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's see. Yeah, the Reibekuchen, the potato pancakes, that is the applesauce, and this is the sour cream.
Ooh, it's very crispy on the outside. So I think it's fair to say I need to dip this into the applesauce, right?
Yeah.
Actually, this is very delicious. It kind of reminds me of Jamaican fritters with saltfish inside, but obviously this doesn't have saltfish, but it's really, really good. This is really delicious.
Then with the beer, this gives me a German feeling. What do you prefer, the applesauce or the sour cream?
Maybe the applesauce a little bit more because it has a little sweetness to it. Nothing is better than on a really nice summer day having a pitburger. Feels good.
Just to give you guys some comparison of the size. So this is 0.5 liters and this is mine. So there is a little size difference. Let's see what the Sauerbraten will do to you. I'm excited about that one. It's summer, the beer is flowing. Prost! All the German foods that you ever tasted, what did you like most?
I would say my favorite is schnitzel.
Schnitzel, really?
Had schnitzel when I was in Germany at the organic farm, and that was absolutely delicious. It's probably one of the highlighted moments of me eating in Germany, hands down. Oh my God, I love the shorts!
That's the Lederhosen I told you about. You speak German?
A little bit, ein bisschen.
Oh, ein kleines bisschen?
Yeah, so what I've been to Germany probably like 4 times.
You need to check out the Mosel Valley next time. That's where
Yes.
I'm from.
Oh, okay, with the Riesling.
You know about it, okay.
Yes.
I love the shorts.
See the Lederhosen here, our waiter's wearing? This is the traditional German fashion, especially in Bavaria.
Yes.
And there's the Sauerbraten. And the red cabbage. This is the boiled dumpling there.
And remind the people what the Sauerbraten is.
The Sauerbraten is the marinated beef round in a sweet and sour gravy.
It kind of reminds me of boiled dumpling in Jamaica.
It's similar to a boiled dumpling. That's exactly what it is. Oh, don't forget the red cabbage.
I won't. It's actually very nice.
See?
It's really good. I must say it's really well cooked. And it has, like, as you mentioned, like a little bit of a sweet and sour taste to it.
Red cabbage. Normally mixing the veggies like the cabbages or the sauerkraut with the meat is normally the real taste then. Yeah.
So I got some red cabbage. I got a little dumpling. And here we go. It's very lovely when you mix them all together because you're getting like a burst of flavor in your mouth. Like I said, the food, German food that I have had so far has been very flavorful, not spicy by any means, but bold flavors. And I like that.
Brings actually back some childhood memories.
So is this something that your mom or your grandma will cook on a regular basis for you guys? Growing up as a child?
Not on a regular basis. But this was certainly some food that was made probably like oxtail in Jamaica. On special days you get like an oxtail, special days you get the curry goat.
Maybe like a Sunday or it's a holiday.
Sunday or holiday, exactly like that. So this is exactly that comparison between Jamaica and Germany, that this food compares. It's not an everyday food. Nobody would make a Sauerbraten just on a regular Tuesday.
Yeah.
Certainly something for a holiday or the weekend.
The beef is very tender. Very tender. And it has a lot of flavor. The plate is clean.
I'm still a little bit surprised that you like the Sauerbraten. Because Sauerbraten has a very unique taste to it.
I like it because it has a little bit of tanginess to it. So a little sweet, a little sour. And those are the flavors that I really like. Anything sweet and sour, I love that stuff.
So let's move on to the Schweinshaxe, the oven roasted pork shank.
I don't really typically go for pork, but hey, I'll give it a shot, right? Why not?
You do not have another choice.
I'm on my second beer.
Prost!
Prost.
While we are waiting for our Schweinshaxe to arrive, please let us know in the comments below what kind of dish you would be choosing. And here's our Schweinshaxe.
This is a lot of meat. Be on the outside.
It is. That's the pork skin that's so crispy.
Do you always eat the skin?
That's one of the best parts, my love.
Very crispy. Hi.
Try a piece of the pork skin.
This is all new territory for me. And I see it comes with a little sauerkraut on the side. And it also comes with a mustard, some potatoes, pork skin, and all falling apart here on me. This tastes really good. No, it actually tastes really good.
So you're no longer concerned with the Schweinshaxe?
999, not at all.
Let's see what we got here.
Wow. Really great flavor.
How do you like the sauerkraut?
Let me taste it again. It all went together with the food so well that I didn't really taste it by itself. But let me do that. If I want to give you my honest opinion. Actually really good. It tastes very fermented. A little vinegary, I would say, but overall pretty delicious.
The fat melts on your tongue. When
I don't
you
like
eat
the
it.
fatty part though.
I'm very surprised that you actually liked it all. Because at the beginning you were very worried,
Yeah.
hearing Schweinshaxe, hearing all these different names and Sauerbraten, and you were like, sour?
Surprisingly, it's very good. And I must say I've enjoyed myself so far.
Honestly, I believe I never had a Schweinshaxe.
Get out. 9. Are you kidding me? Wooski. Oh my god. Well, well, well.
I needed to move from Germany to New York. Meet my Jamaican wife to finally have a Schweinshaxe. And there was the hype.
So I must say, on our next trip to Germany, you gotta have a Schweinshaxe. I think I've outdrank Nick. This is my second one, which is pretty much 1 liter. Who would have thought?
How can that be? That's why I'm the German here.
Not today, buddy.
More chunks of meat.
Good? I'm full. While I'm waiting for Nick to finish his Schweinshaxe, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Oh, you literally murdered that. Whiskey. Whiskey. You can't do that. Whiskey. You're not home. Oh my God. I can't believe you actually did that.
So, my love, what of the foods are your favorite? What was your least favorite today?
I must say the two things that I liked the most was the pancakes, the potato pancakes, and I must say the sauerbraten. That was my second favorite. The pork shank was pretty delicious, but it wasn't on my top two.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, you know what?
Yeah.
Let's order some dessert. Let's get some Apfelstrudel and see how you like that.
Alrighty, let's go for it.
There's the Apfelstrudel.
Thank you.
Thank you. Take in, my love.
Can you explain exactly what this is?
It's a very flaky pastry, flaky dough pastry. Inside it's filled with apples and walnut.
It's so like I was watching Game of Thrones, there was an episode where like there's one character. Yes. That's what I'm looking for. This is delicious. Absolutely delicious. Typically we don't go for dessert, but here we go.
So I brought I almost brought a book.
Overall, my love, what do you say about the German food that I presented you with today?
I must say for me it's a 10 out of 10.
Really?
Yes, believe it or not.
So which one would you think would be an absolutely hit in Jamaica, and which ones would you think would be absolutely, oh, that's a no-go in Jamaica?
I honestly think that all of them would be a hit. Because the pancakes kind of remind me of like dumpling, like fritters, saltfish fritters. Very similar, except the pancakes don't have any saltfish in it. So for me, that was a go. But the applesauce and the sauerkraut, maybe the sauerkraut, I'm not sure. The sour cream, I'm not sure how that would work there, but I know the applesauce would go pretty well with it. If people would like that. The beef, I think that's also would be a hit because we also do a beef stew as well.
True.
I'm really not a pork person, so I can't really talk about the pork as much, but I'm very sure that pork is very well served in Jamaica, maybe not in the same style. Jerk pork is what they do. Correct me on that if you know more about it. I'm not quite sure. And the dessert, I think that would be a hit as well. It's not overly sweet. It tastes really, really well. Very warm with the whipped cream on top. For me, it's a 10 out of 10.
I'm very happy to hear that. I was expecting a more critical opinion at the end, that she maybe says, oh my god, the Schweinshaxe, the oven roasted pork shank would not be to her taste, but she actually liked it all, so I'm very surprised.
I surprised myself as well.
And you're still eating, and that's a good sign, so yeah, I'm very happy about that, my love.
Yeah.
We just got our check. We also got a little apple schnapps, Apfelschnaps, I believe it is. Yeah, that's apple. That's definitely apple. Cheers.
That went down so smooth and delicious.
It broke whatever record.
Let's see what we're eating next week for the next video.
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned. Until then, auf Wiedersehen. See you soon. Later.